A new vending machine! I have a coin to get a can of fruit juice! Oh, it rolled into the machine and I can't see it! Now what?
Leave it to Paul. I'll find your coin so you can buy a can. Magnifying glass action! Found it. Jett, can you lift it up, please?
Okay.
Case solved.
Thanks, Paul. Awesome.
Now, class, I have brought you to the Rio Abiseo National Park. As you can see, I've hidden a bunch of these treasure notes. For every note you find, I will exchange for a souvenir from the park.
Wow! Amazing!
Wow! Now, got any questions?
I do. What do we do if we find real treasure in the park?
Well, there are legends about real treasures here. Let our treasure hunt game begin!
Yeah! Huh? Bye-bye, little butterfly. A note.
Did you find one, Marcia?
I think so. I can't reach it in there. But you know, luckily, I know who to call.
Hi, Sky. I'm ready for a world guarding mission.
Great timing, Jett. We've got a call from Rio Abiseo National Park.
Hello, Superwings. I'm Marcia. I'm playing a treasure hunt game in the park, but I just can't reach the note I've found. Can you help me out?
Maybe what you need is a grabber claw.
That would be perfect. Can you deliver one?
You betcha for sure, Marcia.
Thanks, Superwings. See you soon.
Rio Abiseo National Park in Peru protects the endangered plants and animals of the Andes, like the yellow-tailed woolly monkey. The park also contains ancient ruins, and there are legends of real buried treasure. Learning about such an amazing place is really way World Guardian worthy.
Now, let's get the package ready. Super Pets Power Up Package Printer! Package done. Loading up.
Jett, take your position!
Somewhere new! Hooroo!
Still can't get it, Marcia?
Not yet. I just need to wait until I get my...
Package delivery!
Yes, it's here!
I'm Jett! On time, every time!
Welcome to Peru! This is our school teacher.
This is for you.
This grabber claw will work on anything. Let's get the tesoro out.
Okay, but what's a tesoro?
It means treasure in Spanish, the language we speak in Peru.
All right then! Let's look for tesoro, yeah?
Here. Ta-da! Look, I got my tesoro. What? My note!
Hey there!
He got away!
It's okay. We'll get it back, Marcia.
Can Jett and I go?
Of course. But you still have to stay with Jett at all times.
Okay. think it dropped down between this gap. Huh? There's something under here. Maybe it's an underground level. There must be a way to open the doorway.
Let's find out! Whoa!
Wow! A secret passage!
Let's go!
Look! We found a real hidden treasure! Huh? A snake got my note! Jett, let's go up! My note! It's in here!
Oh! This is sick! And it's huge!
It's the anaconda from the legend! We gotta go!
Whoa! Now it's Guardian time!
World Guardian Selector! Great choice, Super Pets! It's called the police plane!
Repairing Guardian upgrades! Super Ball activation with Animal Power!
Got it! I'm all set to go! I'm Paul! On the case and set to race!
When is help going to get here, Jett?
Right when you need it! Super Bowl action World Guardians! Animal power!
Yes! Animal power up!
Paul! Animal power up!
Marcia! Animal power up!
World Guardians! Ready for action! Deploy Armadillo Shield! Anaconda Block action! Your fangs don't scare me! What the hell does?
Lizard boots and lizard gloves! Action!
The snake's stuck! Come on, let's get out of here!
But Jett, we can't leave it trapped. We have to get it free.
Oh, you're definitely right, Marcia. But how do we help it get out of there?
Uh-huh! I have an idea. Hey, Anaconda! We're going to throw you this vine. So grab on tight. Now, Jett!
Now here it goes! Awesome! Tiger Claws full power action! 1, 2! 1, 2! 1, 2! 1, 2! 1, 2!
Huh? Is this what you mean? Here. So the anaconda is the little snake's mommy. Are you giving me the note? Thank you. I guess this must be your home. We should make sure that no one else ever disturbs the snakes again.
But what about the treasure?
It's okay. I have my game treasure.
Here's your park souvenir.
Wow, a stuffed anaconda. Thanks so much for helping me get my tesoro, Superwings.
Thank you, Marcia, for showing us your national park and helping us make new snake friends.
There's no doubt about it. You are a world guardian, just like us.
It looks like our work here is all done.
Bye, Superwings!
Superwings!
We deliver!
That was the biggest bounce yet!
I love splashing in the water.
Huh?
Yeah!
Ah! Look behind you, Mira! There's a shark fin!
Why is there a shark in the pool?
I don't know, but we better get out!
Hurry, Jet. It's right behind us.
Ah!
Don't be scared, it's just me.
Swampy!
I got this toy fin stuck on my back and I need help to get it off.
For a minute, we thought you were a real shark.
I guess things aren't always as they appear. Control tower to Jet. Package pickup.
Sky's calling. Mira, thanks for the splash. But now I've got a dash. Hi, Sky. What amazing place am I zooming to today?
You're delivering a package to a girl named Clara who loves the ocean. She lives on the Gold Coast of Australia. It's a sunny spot that's a famous place for surfing on the sea.
Wow, surfing looks so cool.
It's ice. That's how they say excellent in Australia.
I'm ready for an ice Aussie adventure.
Take your position, Jet. Jet, prepare for the air. It's fly time.
I'm going for the goal. Gold Coast, that is. Wow! Look at those beautiful beaches. The ocean is sure making waves on the Gold Coast.
Look, Dad! See that surfer out on the water? She's really ripping.
She sure knows how to carve a wave.
I want to learn to surf, Dad. Can I? Can I?
Package delivery. I'm Jet. On time, every time.
Good day, Jet. Welcome to the Gold Coast. I'm Clara, and this is my dad.
Good day to you, too. Clara, this is for you.
For me? What is it? A surfboard! Now I can learn to surf! Ta, Dad! Let's take my new board down to the beach right now!
We'll have to wait a bit, Clara. I can't go until later.
Later? I can't wait that long!
I'll take you to the beach if it's all right with your dad.
Sure, Clara. You can go as long as you stay with Jet.
Boys!
Yeah, you sound like a real Aussie! Let's go!
Wow! The Gold Coast is awesome! I can't wait to see you surf.
Neither can I! This will be my very first time!
Wait, what? You don't know how to surf?
Nope, but you can teach me, right?
I don't know how to surf either.
Oh,
I know what to do. It's time to call in a Superwings team.
a Superwings team? Amazing!
Base, come in.
This is Base. What's new, Jet?
I'm with Clara on the Gold Coast in Australia. She wants to try out her new surfboard, but neither of us knows how to surf.
Team power is definitely the way to find a surfing solution. The question is, whose team? Yes, Mira's Wild Team. They're the best bet to get you set to ride those waves. Jimbo! Jett needs help on the Gold Coast, and there's no time to waste.
Read you, Sky. Readying for dispatch. Team, take off!
When will they get here? Here come Mira and Swampy now. Things are looking up.
Wild Team, we take trouble. Mira transform! Swampy transform!
Team time! Gear up!
The Wild Team came to help.
All the Superwings teams love to help.
Now let's take this surf lesson to the waves. Whee! Let's do this. Now to catch a wave. When you see a big wave coming, lie down, paddle hard, then pop up. Oh no, I didn't paddle fast enough, and I missed it. But I'll try again.
Yes!
You got it!
All right!
I'm surfing! Jett, keep it go!
Whoa! Double whoa! Phew! Wipe out! That was ice! Come on, let's all surf! Jett! Shark! Good joke, Swampy!
Whoa! Yikes! Head back out to sea! Paddle away! Oh no! That shark looks cross!
Okay, I've got a plan. Mira, we'll distract the shark. Then Swampy, you and Clara will head to shore.
I like that plan. Get ready, Clara.
The shark is gone? We can't let it reach Clara. Here, Sharky, Sharky!
I'll look underwater. Where are you, Mr. Shark?
Oh no! Uh-oh! The shark got past Jett and Mira!
It's coming for us!
We need to keep it away from Swampy and Clara! Jet speed! Ah! What's happening?
Willie!
The submarine is on the scene.
The shark came with us!
Hey, wait a sec. It just cried a tear. Why does this shark never close its mouth?
Maybe it's open for another reason, other than being cross. Remember at the pool, Jett? Things aren't always what they seem.
You're right, Mira. I'll take a closer look. There's a can stuck in its teeth. It must have come to ask for help.
So it's not cross. It's hacked. Jett, do you think you could get the can out of its mouth?
Sure I can. Steady, Sharky ready.
You did it! Good work, Wild Team!
That's our job.
Goodbye, Shark! Don't eat any more cats! Look, there's a wave coming. Let's surf it!
It's gonna be a big one.
Yeah! Woohoo!
Hey!
Woohoo!
Yeah!
That's amazing! Superwings! In for the win! I did it! Did you see me, Dad?
I sure did, Clara. You're well on your way to becoming an ice surfer.
Thanks, Superwings, for helping me learn how to use my new surfboard.
I think our work here is done. Time to fly.
Time to roll.
Bye!
Thank you.
Ta! Superwings! We deliver!
I love World Airport. It's got everything. Luggage trucks, hi Roy. New planes and old. Morning drone, hi Grand Albert. It's even got... Huh? Water?
Sorry! Guess we got a little carried away with our water play.
We? Hi, Jett. I see you met Swampy. Swampy is a fan boat, and he's one of my new team members. You need to meet Willie, too.
The submarine is on the scene. Hi, Jet. I'm Willie, and I love to make a splash.
We're
Mira's Wild Team. We tame trouble.
You guys are wet and wild.
Control tower to Jett. Package pickup.
Gotta go. Bye. Hey, Sky. I'm ready to fly.
Jett, you're off to America and the state of Florida, where there's an amazing place called the Everglades. It's a watery place with incredible animals. You'll be taking a package to a boy named Juanito.
It looks like Juanito likes planes.
He sure does. Juanito wants to be a stunt pilot when he grows up.
Cool. He must be brave. Stunt pilots do daring flying tricks.
Yep. Juanito is very atrevido. That's Spanish for daring.
Good to know, Sky. Thanks.
Take your position, Jett. Jett, prepare for the air.
It's fly time. Am I ever excited to be going to the Everglades? There are the Everglades. Wow, that's one wildly busy place.
Brave Bird 1, you are clear for takeoff.
Nice flying, Juanito. But be careful not to take chances you aren't ready for yet. Being too atrevido can get you in trouble.
A stunt pilot has to be daring, Mama.
Package delivery.
It's here!
I'm Jet. On time, every time.
Hi, Jet. I'm Juanito, and this is my mama. Welcome to the Everglades.
Thanks. This is for you, Juanito.
Awesome! It's my pilot's helmet. When my plane is flying, this little camera in it lets me see what the stunt pilot would see. I can't wait to test it. Jet, would you like to give me clearance for takeoff? My plane's name is Brave Bird 1, by the way.
Roger that. Brave Bird 1, you are clear for takeoff. atrevido stunt pilot, Juanito.
A bit too atrevido, I think.
Oh no! The wind is blowing my plane off course. Leave it to me. I'll see. Sorry, Juanito. I lost sight of it. Its signal to my helmet is gone. It must have landed way out of range. I'll never get it back now. Never say never, Juanito. It's time to call in a Superwings team!
A Superwings team?
Amazing! Base, come in.
This is Base. What's up, Jett?
Juanito's stunt jet is lost in the Everglades. We need to get it back.
You need the Superwings. But whose team?
Yes!
Mira's wild team makes the grade for an Everglades adventure. Jimbo, Jett needs help in the Everglades. There's no time to waste.
Read you, Sky. Readying for dispatch. Team, take off!
You were right, Mama. I shouldn't have taken chances with my plane.
It's okay, Juanito. Oh, and here it comes.
Yes! It's Mira and Swampy! Things are looking up!
Wild team, we take trouble. Mira transform! Swampy transform!
Team time! Gear up!
Superwings, at the ready!
I can't believe the Superwings Wild Team has come to help me! Mama, can I go with them to help look for my plane?
As long as you stay with the Superwings, yes.
All right, Wild Team, let's go! It's going to take a lot of focus to spot Juanito's jet out here. So everybody concentrate hard and... Hey, look at all those animals!
There's a deer! And there's an alligator. Nice smile, big guy. But I think we'll keep our distance.
I'm picking up on my jet's signal. We must be close to it. Great! What do you see? Huh? Weird. It looks like my jet is flying underwater. But how can that be?
It's dolphins!
We see tons of dolphins in the Everglades.
Cool! Amazing!
Sweet! But I bet you've never seen one playing with the toy jet. What? My jet!
Oh no! They're taking it back down underwater. I'll get it back. Nice dolphin! Can I have the jet back, please? They don't want to give it back.
Well, if you can't beat them, join them.
Huh?
If we join in the game with the dolphins, maybe we can win it back. Great idea, Jet.
And it looks like the dolphins want us to play. So game on!
Yeah! Whoa! problem is, the teams aren't even.
Not anymore!
Willie!
The submarine is on the scene!
Great! Now the teams are even.
Yes, I have it! I have it!
I'll get it!
Willie! Over here!
Go on! I call this my tornado!
Yay!
We did it!
Woohoo!
Thanks, everyone. What an awesome team.
Oh dear, the poor dolphins. Now that Juanito's got his jet back, they don't have anything to play with.
Aw, I wish I'd been able to deliver a dolphin toy too. Maybe you did. Ta-da! Jet, does Dolphin Toy 1 have clearance for takeoff? Dolphin Toy 1, you are clear. Thanks for helping me get my plane back. You guys are the best. Well, I think our work here is done. Time to fly. Time to roll. Adios. Gracias.
Superwings, we deliver!
Oh, right, Super Pets. Fly through these hula hoops when I throw them up in the air. Good job.
Wow, that looks fun. Can I try, Dizzy?
Go ahead, Jet.
They are good. Well, that was a surprise. I can't wait to see what other really funny surprises are in store for me today.
Wow! Nice basket, Bella!
I just have this one last container to unload, Bella. Then you and I can play basketball.
Okay, Dad. All right, here I go.
If it keeps shaking, the container will fall apart!
I'm sorry, Bella. This mess is gonna take a long time to clean up. No time for basketball today.
Aw. Yes, there will be, Dad. I know who to call to help us.
Hi, Sky. I'm hoping my mission will have some really fun surprises for me today.
Well, maybe it will, Jet. There's a call from San Francisco in the USA.
Hi, Superwings. I'm Bella. So, my dad and I want to play basketball, but a bunch of fruit accidentally fell into the harbor, and we've got to get it all cleaned up first.
Some big nuts on poles is what you need.
Really good idea, Storm.
Yeah, perfect. Can you deliver them fast?
You betcha for sure, Bella.
Thanks, Superwings. See you soon.
Pier 39 in San Francisco is famous for having lots of sea lions living on it. The harbor is one of the very busiest in the United States. So, helping get all the fruit out of it is way World Guardian worthy.
Now, let's get the package ready. Super Pets, power up package printer! Package done. Loading up.
Jett, take your position.
It's fly time! Here I go to San Francisco!
Oh, all that floating fruit is not good for such a busy harbor.
It's okay, Dad. We'll be able to get it quickly all cleaned up just as soon as my...
Package delivery!
Yes! It's here!
I'm Jett! On time, every time!
Welcome to San Francisco, Jett. This is my great dad.
This is for you, Bella!
Wow! These decks look perfect. Bella, ready for action.
James, ready for action too!
Wow! A cargo crane? Hi, James!
Hi to you, Jett.
Okay, let's get it done fast and play hoops, Dad.
Sure.
What are hoops?
Hoops is another name for basketball here in the United States.
That's awesome! Hop on, Bella. I'll help you be the fastest fruit scooper in the world. Oh, if your dad says it's okay.
Can I go with Jett, Dad?
Sure, go ahead. With all of us scooping up the fruit, we'll get it done fast.
Happy scooping, Dad.
Happy scooping, Bella. Good luck. Bye, Jett.
Bye!
Bye.
Let's go!
Fruit scoop action!
Huh? Oh.
Whoa! No more playing, sea lions! You're gonna break the net!
Uh-oh! The sea lions are being playful again? Huh?
You're getting away with your net! Stop, guys! Whoa! Ah! Stop, cheeky sea lions! Oh, wow! Those sea lions are playful!
Uh-oh! We need backup, Jett.
Then it's Guardian time!
World Guardian Selector? Up! Yeah! Great choice, Super Pets. It's rescue expert Dizzy. She can help with any tangle.
Preparing Guardian upgrades. Super Ball activation with
Water power!
guess we're really not going to have time to play hoops today.
I wouldn't be so sure about that.
Yes, it's Dizzy! Things are looking up!
Let's get you free. Rescue roll action!
Whoa! Now to get all the fruit collected.
Yeah, but those sporty sea lions are way too good at playing games.
Then let's invent a game we can all enjoy. Why don't we play fruit hoops? Super Bowl action! World Guardians! Water power up!
Jett, water power up!
Dizzy! Water power up! Bella! Water power up! World Guardians! Ready for action!
Captain James, ready for action!
Let's go, Team Guardians! Jett, catch!
Okay! Yeah! 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 Ah! Going for a blocking move, huh? Nice try! But I've got a good move too! Water power booster, action! Bella! Pass to you!
Getting in position!
Jett, pass!
Bella, water power! Alley-oop! Dunk!
World Guardians! Cleaning up all of San Francisco Harbor!
Great job! Thanks for helping get the fruit all safely scooped back up, Superwings. That was the wildest basketball game ever!
You sure got that right, Bella! You're a great sports player and a World Guardian like us! Looks like our work here is done.
Yeah! Thanks, Superwings! Bye!
Thanks, Superwings!
Thanks, Superwings! Superwings!
We deliver! Here, subscribe to our channel!